Hey guys, welcome to my review for the Comica WM100 Plus dual wireless microphone system. So we're gonna go through this unboxing. So as soon as you open the main box, you will find a briefcase inside. Now when you come to opening this briefcase, on the first surface it has all its accessories such as a hot shoe mount for the receiver, some converters for your 3.5 jack to 6.5 jack, and one lavalier microphone that you may use, or you may choose to substitute them with a different one. On the lower side we have our two transmitters and our one master receiver. So talking about one of the two transmitters, this is how it looks up on the front. It does have a small screen where you can see the batteries or channel numbers. It has an on and off switch, and on the top it has a line in and as well as a mic input, so you can either have an amplified input or a non-amplified input. Speaking about the receiver now, it pretty much has two antennas and the rest of it is the same structure. It does however have mic output on the top and a headphone jack. This allows you to preview your audio the way it's going to be going into your camera. On the bottom of the both transmitter and receiver we have a 1/4 tripod mount, and these are all powered by two AA batteries each. My suggestion would be to use rechargeable ones. As you can see, they're pretty much the same from the behind. Anyways, now we're going to be conducting an audio comparison. So in an attempt to do a fair comparison between a different brand and Comica, what I have here with me is a different $150 wireless audio system, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this with the Comica in a bunch of different settings. So just to be very clear, my 6D Mark II right now is running on its second lowest bar of amplification. This microphone's receiver system is running on its second level of amplification, which means on a volume level of 1 to 16 it's running on number 2. Apart from that, I want to check the audio isolation. I have a fan right next to me over here. I have an air conditioner, a loud air conditioner right behind the camera, and I just want to take this test to see how good this microphone and the amplifier in this compares to the one with Comica. So this is the audio test with the air conditioner and the fan, which is essentially acting as a loud background noise. And now we're gonna shift this to see in an isolated environment by turning the air conditioner off and turning the fan off. So right now what you hear is a complete isolated environment with literally no noise whatsoever. Now we're gonna switch over to the Comica mic. Okay, so first things first, if you guys are wondering why I have these headphones on, the reason for that is that Comica actually supports a headphone output that you can use while filming. So wait, this is the transmitter and this is connected to the mic. This is connected to the receiver that is going into the camera. So not only am I recording the video on the camera, I can actually hear in live whatever I speak, whatever the person I'm recording speaks. Right now this is at isolated setting. I don't have the air conditioner or the fan on. I'm gonna open those up, so we're gonna see how this performs in noise isolation as compared to the other brand. Now keep in mind this was slightly expensive, so I am expecting a better performance, and obviously this has so many more features. It took me like ages to figure out how to work this thing, but there's just so much going on. It like literally tells you the battery over here, and then the receiver tells you the batteries for both your channels. So I got a dual channel Comica, so two transmitters, one receiver. The receiver shows me the battery settings for both the things. It shows me if they're on or if they're off. So it's like really hard to actually miss a good audio clip. Like you can't have one of these things turn off on you and not find out about that. This is like such a foolproof system according to me. I'm just like blown away by that. Anyways, let's turn on the fan. So now the fan is on, and this is the sort of audio quality you're receiving, so you can assume this is like something you would be recording in a public space or a mall. There would be so much noise, and the mic is mounted over here, and this is how it works. So guys, this has been my review of the Comica microphone.
system. I'll catch you guys in the next review. Until then, peace out.